Adobe is launching new generative AI tools that can automate labor-intensive production tasks like editing large batches of images and translating video presentations. The most notable is Firefly BulCreate, an app that allows users to quickly resize up to 10,000 images or replace all of their backgrounds in a single click instead of tediously editing each picture individually. The tool was created by combining several of Adobe's Firefly-powered APIs for developers, with the aim of making them more accessible to creatives who lack technical coding experience. BulCreate is launching in beta today and split into two separate tools on Adobe's Firefly web app: Remove Background and Resize. The first is pretty self-explanatory. Users can upload image files into the tool from their computer, Dropbox, or Adobe Experience Manager and quickly remove backgrounds. It should work on any image, but looks especially useful for product marketers. Alongside just removing the background, users can also set the tool to replace backgrounds with a specific image or color defined by hex codes to get variations of each image that are ready for further editing. The file batches can be saved as either PNG or JPEG for now, with Adobe saying that support for Photoshop PSD files will be added in the future. The Resize tool presents a selection of preset options for popular ad banner sizes and platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. It uses generative AI to stretch the backgrounds of images to fit these required dimensions, but the demo we saw wasn't particularly inspiring. There was a lot of obvious warping, with one example strangely copying and blurring wine glasses together that were in the foreground. This could improve when the tool's out of beta, but for now, it may manage simple backgrounds well enough to spare graphic designers from having to manually resize their marketing assets for each platform. While services like Canva and Adobe Express also have tools that make this easier, BulCreate can do so in a single click. Adobe's making some new developer APIs for Firefly services generally available in the coming weeks that developers can use to speed up video and print production workflows. Dubbing and lip sync can translate and edit lip movement for video, audio into 14 different languages, and a new InDesign tool can automatically format text and images for print and digital media using predefined templates. Digital avatars created using text descriptions and voice recordings will also be available in beta this month, which can be used to present videos and product explainers. The power required to edit batches of 10,000 images is presumably expensive. Adobe says there will be a fee to use these new tools based on consumption, which likely means users will need to pay for a premium Adobe Firefly plan that provides generative credits that can then be spent on the features.